We are here at the Bauer Compressor booth, and we are going to be talking with Mr. Bill Dixon, who is going to show us some of the newest technology that Bauer has at the conference today. So, up to you, Mr. Bill.
Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Hope you're doing wonderful. As Bill explained, my name is Bill Dixon. I'm from Bauer Compressors. I'd like to welcome you to FDIC 2018. What we're going to do for the next couple of minutes is walk you through some of the latest technological enhancements, advancements in high pressure breathing air. The first one is the product to my right, which is called Unicus 4i. This particular product is what's called an all-in-one compressor system. All-in-one meaning not only do you have the high pressure compressor in this cabinet, but you also have the purification system. There is also onboard storage on the back of the compressor to store the processed air. Some of the technological enhancements for FDIC or for the fire service in general is what we call RFID data logging. Current NFPA standards require that the fire department log the SCBA fill event. Well, we have developed the technology using RFID tags that makes it a seamless process when the firefighter starts filling the SCBA. In principle, every single SCBA has an RFID tag, whether it's affixed permanently to the collar of the SCBA or perhaps embedded in the dovetail of the SCBA. As soon as the firefighter closes the door, that event is logged. That event is logged on the panel PC. As well, all of the data is broadcasted directly to the cloud, so it is a permanent record for the fire department so that they can control the SCBA fill process. The advancements on the panel PC, we're now able to control who has access to the compressor system. It's just like you logging onto your computer in the office in the morning. The Bauer advancements here is we can control fill pressure, fill speed, directly from the panel PC. Old technology has all kinds of pressure gauges on the panel, all types of valves. Well, we have eliminated that, mitigated it down to 3 valves. Simplifies the SCBA fill process. If we move around to this cabinet on the package, we also have integrated as an option what's called Lab on Locale. This particular device allows the fire department to automatically download, control, analyze, and receive a third-party certificate, taking the responsibility out of the fire department's hands. Moving around, we also have what's called Unicus 4i Extend. Extend means we give the fire department, again as an option, a handheld device to record the RFID data seamlessly, perhaps in a mobile fire truck, or perhaps a fire station that may be remote, away from headquarters, allowing them to record that data without the Unicus 4i. Again, we need the 4i as the base unit, but we also have the optional doing it away from the station. Moving around the Bauer booth, I'd like to introduce you to a couple of other new compressor technologies. The first technology is a compressor which we call Verticon. Verticon is an economy-minded compressor. It is now integrated onto a base that eliminates the possibility of installing the compressor incorrectly. One of the biggest things you have to bear in mind with air-cooled compressors is cooling air. Well, the base allows the fire department, distributor, what have you, to simply push it in place. The base of the unit automatically spaces the compressor to assure the compressor receives ventilation. The panel PC or HMI on the front of the unit allows simple, easy operations of the compressor. It also will give you real-time access to perhaps fault indications, pressure readings, things such as that nature. And then the last piece of equipment that I want to introduce you folks to is what's called Verticus Plus. Verticus Plus is where we're taking 2 components, if you will, and combining their operational prowess. Number one, you've got a high pressure compressor that is processing the high pressure air, purifying it. Then we send it over to a fill station module that has 2 air storage cylinders on the back, standard scope of supply. You also have dual function cascade controls. Dual function meaning not only can you draw from the air in the storage system, but the compressor will automatically recharge those storage cylinders. The nice thing about Verticus and Verticus Plus, ladies and gentlemen, is we're getting away from the old adage of bread box design, meaning everything is square. You'll look at the packaging, it's aesthetically pleasing, nice curved angles. It's the next step in high pressure breathing air. If you have any questions, please feel free to either send us an email at www.bauercomp.com or feel free to give us a call at 757-855-6006. And thank you very much. Have a good day.